This is an emergency alert message. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. Lyssavirus hemophagia variant has been declared a worldwide pandemic. This virus is highly contagious and poses a significant threat to human life. Symptoms include fever, chills, fatigue, vomiting of blood, visual and auditory hallucinations, irritability, and aggression. The virus is spread through contact with infected bodily fluids, such as saliva or blood. Avoid infected individuals at all costs. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, quarantine yourself, and stay far from others. Do not take yourself to the hospital. Hospitals are experiencing a shortage of staff and medical supplies. Refrain from calling 911 unless you are facing an imminent threat to your life. Law enforcement officials are working tirelessly to address the situation, and they must prioritize real emergencies. In response to this crisis, the President of the United States has declared a national state of emergency. Martial law has been enacted and is currently being enforced. All citizens are required to evacuate to their designated quarantine stations. Law enforcement and military personnel will be assisting with transportation. The safety of individuals who choose not to evacuate cannot be guaranteed. We urge all citizens to comply with this directive to ensure the safety of themselves and others. A curfew will now take place from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Anyone found outside during this curfew will be arrested and face serious penalties. This is an emergency alert message. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test.